Hello friends, this is Manpreet from a Nursing Scope and I welcome you all in AIIMS Last Minute Preparation series, and this is the fourth video of the series. And in this video I'll cover the 20 most important point from subject pediatrics. So do watch this video till the end and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and your subscription helps me to create more videos. And please share this video with your friends who are going to appear for NORCET AIIMS 2020. So let's begin with 20 golden scoops for NORCET AIIMS 2020. So I'm starting with pointers already asked in the previous exams. So here is the first point. The anterior fontanelle closes by 12 to 18 months of age. So anterior fontanelle is of diamond shape and it closes by the 12 to 18 months of age. Second point is the posterior fontanelle closes by end of the second month and this is triangular shape. Next important scoop is bulging fontanelle is the most significant sign of increased ICP, and sunken fontanelle is seen in case of the dehydration. So next important scoop is in case of meningitis, the CSF cerebrospinal fluid analysis shows cloudy CSF, elevated protein and leukocyte levels and decreased glucose levels. And in case of meningitis, we perform the lumbar puncture for the CSF analysis. So this is very important point. So next important scoop is in infants, the detection of HIV is confirmed by P4 antigen assay, and in case of adults, the HIV confirmation is made with the Western blot test. So next important point is an infant usually triples his birth weight by the end of first year. So the weight triples by the end of first year and it becomes doubles at the 5 to 6 months of age. So next important scoop is the apical heart rate of newborn is 120 to 140 beats per minute. So next important point is the neonatal jaundice in first 24 hours after birth is known as pathological jaundice. So this pathological jaundice appears due to some hemolytic diseases. So next important point is the Apgar score is obtained at 1 minute and 5 minutes after the delivery, and we all know the Apgar score is used to assess the neonatal vital functions. So now moving to some important signs. So the first sign is the McEwen sign. So McEwen sign is associated with the hydrocephalus. So next point is Glazy sign is seen in case of DDH, that is a developmental dysplasia of hip. So in case of Glazy sign, there will be the shortening of limb on affected side. So next sign is the Ortolani sign. So Ortolani sign confirms the congenital hip dislocation in neonates. So next is the projectile vomiting is initial symptom of pyloric stenosis. So projectile vomiting is a main symptom of pyloric stenosis and this vomiting usually happens after feed. So next point is in intussusception, the jelly-like stools are seen containing mucus and blood. So the intussusception is the telescoping of one portion of intestine into another. So this results in obstruction to passage of the intestinal contents, and the main symptom is the jelly-like stool containing blood and mucus. So with this, moving to the next important scoop, that is in Hirschsprung disease, there is a failure to pass meconium in case of newborn, and in case of child, the ribbon-like stools with foul smelling are seen. So next important scoop is about TOF, that is the tetralogy of Fallot. So this includes the ventricular septal defect, pulmonary stenosis, overriding of aorta and right ventricular hypertrophy. So this TOF is a congenital heart anomaly. So our next golden scoop is the hemophilia is a X-linked recessive disorder. So as this is a X-linked disorder, so this hemophilia is predominantly seen in case of males, and in the hemophilia there is a deficiency of factor 8 and factor 9. So with this, moving to the last important point of today's video, that is about thalassemia. So thalassemia is a autosomal recessive disorder. Basically it is an inherited blood disorder, and this is characterized by deficiency of production of the globin chains in a hemoglobin. Okay friends, so please like and share this video with your friends who are going to appear for AIIMS NORCET 2020. So we'll see you in next video very soon. So till that time, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.